Greetings, internet marketers. Welcome to another freebie giveaway from How to Webmaster. Today you can download this awesome TikTok training ebook package with videos, and you get resale rights to everything, all for free. Download link is down below in the video description. And here, this is the example training guide. There are 130 pages. You will learn everything about advertising on TikTok and how you can use it for promoting your products and services, and monetization tips. You also get this cheat sheet, a basic rundown of top tips for TikTok. You also get this free resource report guide with YouTube video links to recommended resources and training and other tips and tricks, and links to blogs and other sites. And you get this mind map of putting everything together right here. And this is a big package for TikTok training. You get these 10 videos, and here's an example, and it is pretty good quality. You can see the tutorial actually shows of the dashboard and how everything works, and with setting up your TikTok account and advertiser account. So this is a very good package for you to learn from, and also resell and keep 100% of the profits. You get this amazing sales page, and again, you can resell this package right here. This is the beautiful looking sales page, all for free. Go ahead, check it out. Download link is below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials and other freebies. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.